Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video we will see lesson plan on the topic types of noun. Okay, here you can see. So here you can see this is for class 4th. Okay, and topic is types of noun. Subject is English. Okay, so for previous knowledge you can see here students are already aware of noun and they can make sentence using noun. So we have to assume that students are already aware of noun because they are in class 4th. Okay, so they must know about noun and what is noun, and they can also make sentence using noun. So here you can see for general aim to enable them to understand what is noun and how many types of noun are there. So we want to teach them that how many types of noun are there, and also we want to teach them how many types of noun are there. Okay, so to enable them to make sentence using various types of noun, so we also want to make them or enable them to make sentence using various types of noun. Specific objectives to let them know what are different types of noun. So we are also going to tell them how many types of noun are there: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun, all this. Okay, here you can see teaching aid. So for teaching aid we have to write whatever teaching aid we are going to use while teaching. Okay, now let's turn the page. Okay, here you can see list of question that we have to ask. First we have to ask what is noun. So students will try to give answer of that. They will try to tell the definition in their own words. Okay, after that here you can see we have to ask give some example of noun. Then they will answer that. Okay, make one sentence using noun. Then they will try to make one sentence. Do you know how many types of noun are there? It would be problematic. Okay, here you can see objectives and specifications. To arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Okay, this is our subject. Okay, after that we have to announce our topic. Okay, here you can see announcement. Today I am going to teach you topic types of noun. Here is our topic. Okay, this is overall look. Now here you can see presentation. So for that we have to explain them properly about noun. What is noun? Here you can see types of noun. So we also have to tell them about types of noun. Here I have mentioned only 4 noun. Okay, now after that we have to ask question related to that. What is common noun? Give example of common noun. What is proper noun? Give example of proper noun. Here list of the answer that we expect from students, and here is our blackboard work. Here is our blackboard work. Okay, so here you can see scales. So means we have to, once we teach them properly for 5 to 6 minutes, we also have to use some chart or whatever mod. If we have model, so we can take use of that to explain them once again. Here student observing chart or chart. For teaching it I have written here chart. Presentation 2 you can see here, and here is the list of the question that we have to ask to students, and here is the answer that we expect from students. Here is our blackboard work. Okay, now you can see overall look. Okay, this is overall look. Now let's turn the page. Okay, this is the rest part of presentation 2, and this is the question related to what we have to ask to students, and this is the expected answer. You can see here what is concrete noun, what give some examples, and here is our blackboard work. Okay, so here is recapitulation part. What is noun, what is abstract noun, what is concrete noun, give example of concrete noun. Okay, and here is the answers. Okay, last is application and evaluation. So here you can see fill in the blanks. I have given here 1 2 3 4 also you have to write something here. I haven't write it here. Okay, so this is the application and evaluation, and last is home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge we also have to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic types of noun. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.